Before you view our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tapping the bell icon so that you will be the first to know when we post new videos. Some people might wonder who snoring really affects the most, the person who's losing sleep because of someone else's snoring, or the person who's actually snoring. Although many who snore will never need to see a medical professional about the problem, some people suffer from sleep apnea, a condition that causes people to temporarily stop breathing while sleeping. It's caused by a respiratory difficulty that obstructs the airways and often wakes a person from sleep. In the least, snoring is an annoying and often embarrassing sound that can interrupt sleep and keep you from having a full night's rest. When someone snores, oxygen levels drop, and when breathing returns to normal, it's accompanied by a louder sound. That is the air trying to get through the narrow airways. If you suffer from light snoring and don't need medical attention, natural remedies do exist that can go a long way to reduce the aggravating problem. These natural remedies include foods that work to relax the respiratory channels and limit the probability of interrupted sleep, yours or your partner's. In today's video, we'll show you 7 of the best foods that can help with snoring. 1. Garlic. When you eat garlic, you're actually absorbing sulfurous substances that serve as decongestants for your lungs. These substances also have properties that fight infections. If you eat raw garlic, it will reduce any swelling you might have in your throat, which in turn will take care of many of the odd breathing sounds that are produced while you sleep. 2. Fish. Fish, especially the oily variety, has numerous health benefits. Specifically, oily fish has high amounts of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids that are known to reduce cholesterol and are recommended for a strong and healthy heart. You'll get these benefits, plus you'll help clean your arteries if you eat oily fish at least twice a week. It helps those who snore because the fatty acids in the fish relax the throat and reduce breathing problems associated with snoring. 3. Tofu. This meat substitute from East Asia is made much like cheese is. Instead of using cow's milk, soy milk is churned and processed to make tofu. Many people use it to help them lose weight. Those who don't eat meat rely on it because it's got so many nutrients and a relatively low caloric count. As an added bonus, it helps with snoring. Like an oily fish, tofu relaxes the throat and produces a more smooth and rhythmic breathing during sleep. 4. Olive oil. Used extensively in the Mediterranean diet, olive oil is one of the best choices available when a recipe calls for oil. It's got plenty of fatty acids. It has anti-inflammatory properties that battle those awful obstructions that occur overnight and interfere with our sleep patterns. 5. Honey. Honey contains natural sugars and other vital nutrients that help fight the battle against nighttime disruptions. The thick natural substance coats the throat and works to curb congestion. Honey also keeps people from snoring by producing melatonin, a naturally found hormone that regulates our sleep patterns. Proper levels of melatonin allows us to have a full night's sleep. 6. Rosemary. Besides being used in many recipes because of its delicious flavor, rosemary actually improves our health. This small herb has some powerful medicinal properties, especially for the respiratory tract. It's an expectorant, an anti-inflammatory, and a decongestant, all of which help to calm and clear the airways. With the airways clear, the symptoms of sleep apnea and snoring lessen significantly, and oxygen passes unobstructed through the respiratory system. 7. Almonds. Finally, this nut that's dense in nutritional value provides significant amounts of healthy fats, not to mention the other vitamins and minerals present in what most people consider just a tasty snack. Eating almonds or even drinking the milk made from almonds strengthens the tissues of the throat. The more these tissues are strengthened, the less they are affected by vibrations made when breathing. That by itself cuts down on snoring. As an added benefit, eating almonds gives us a full feeling that helps us have a restful night. None of these foods are a permanent fix for sleep apnea or snoring. However, eating them consistently reduces the symptoms and allows us to rest easier. Work them into your diet as much as possible so you can get the most benefit from them. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.